Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Kat. Welcome to the 2000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is Beijing. 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 Taga Beijing ka ba? Are you from Beijing? Taga Beijing ka ba? London. 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 London ang kabisera ng Inglaterra ng United Kingdom. London is the capital of England and the United Kingdom. London ang kabisera ng Inglaterra at ng United Kingdom. Paris. 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 Paris, Francia. Paris, France. Paris, Francia. Berlin. 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 Berlin, Alemania. Berlin, Germany. Berlin, Alemania. New York. New York. New York. New York. New York. New York, USA. New York, USA. New York, USA. Roma. Rome. Roma. Roma. Rome. Ang Roma ang pinakamalaking lungsod at kabisera ng Italia. The largest city and capital of Italy is Rome. Ang Roma ang pinakamalaking lungsod at kabisera ng Italia. Moscow. 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 Moscow, Russia. Moscow, Russia. Moscow, Russia. Ticket. 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 Pasaporte at ticket. Passport and ticket. Pasaporte at ticket. Balikan. Round trip. Balikan. Balikan. Round trip. Balikang ticket. Round trip ticket. Balikang ticket. Mabilis na tren. Express train. Mabilis na tren. Mabilis na tren. Express train. Mabilis na tren sa riles. Express train on the tracks. Mabilis na tren sa riles. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say Beijing? Beijing. Beijing. And how to say London? London. London. What about Paris? Paris. Paris. Do you remember how to say Berlin? Berlin. Berlin. Let's try New York. New York. New York. What about Rome? Roma. Roma. Now, let's see if you remember how to say Moscow. 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 Another one. What about ticket? Ticket. Ticket. Do you remember how to say round trip? Balikan. Balikan. And finally, do you remember how to say express train? Mabilis na tren. Mabilis na tren. Well done! See you next time! Paalam!